Hey there, awesome viewers. Experience the vibrant 15 Khordad Market in Tehran like never before. Join us on a stroll through this bustling market, where even on Fridays, a day of closure in Iran, the market thrives. While most shops within the main market are closed, the surrounding stores and street vendors remain open, attracting crowds of eager shoppers. Explore the unique atmosphere as people flock to purchase goods from the open shops and street vendors, turning Fridays into a lively shopping experience in Tehran's 15 Khordad Market. If you're enjoying the content and vibes on my channel, do me a solid and hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting videos. Your support means the world to me. Let's grow this community together. Thanks a million. Immerse yourself in the vibrant atmosphere, where tradition meets modernity, and every purchase becomes a memorable experience. 15 Khordad Market is not just a marketplace, it's a cultural journey waiting to be explored. On the 15th of Khordad Bazaar in Tehran, a vibrant hub of culture and commerce, explore the heart of Tehran on the 15th of Khordad Bazaar, where tradition and modernity intertwine. This bustling market is a kaleidoscope of colors, scents, and sounds. What to expect? 1. Cultural diversity. Immerse yourself in a rich tapestry of Persian culture, from traditional crafts to contemporary art. 2. Delicious gastronomy. Indulge your taste buds with a variety of authentic Iranian dishes and local delicacies. 3. Unique handicrafts. Discover exquisite hand-woven carpets, intricate ceramics, and other traditional crafts. The 15th of Khordad Bazaar is not just a market, it's a cultural experience. It reflects Tehran's dynamic spirit, offering a glimpse into the city's past, present, and future. On the 15th of Khordad, Tehran's market comes alive with a vibrant atmosphere. Stalls adorned with colorful goods create a visual feast, while the aroma of traditional Iranian delicacies wafts through the air. From handicrafts to spices, the market showcases the rich tapestry of Iranian culture. On the 15th of Khordad Bazaar, Tehran's bustling market comes to life, offering a vibrant tapestry of sights and sounds. Known for its diverse array of stalls, the market boasts an eclectic mix of traditional crafts, local produce, and modern goods. Visitors can immerse themselves in the rich culture of Tehran while exploring the labyrinthine lanes filled with spices, textiles, and handcrafted treasures. From the aroma of Persian spices to the intricate designs of handmade carpets, the 15th of Khordad Market is a sensory delight. If you're enjoying the content, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more fantastic videos. Your support means the world to me, and it keeps the channel going strong. Join the community and stay tuned for exciting updates. Thank you for being part of this journey.